Gascach na'n cóisir, toscaire ar cultúr agus neach ciúil clúteach. Is dé cáras da ichit bliana ag stúr cóisir ceolraí gaelic glasachó, bí Coinneach MacTho is séasú ar bialú a cóisir son an turas miérig an sa bharst 2025. Na achlan hain.
It's time for the bothach to call it a day.
Cónach a leolach Eilidh Chandler Rae NicI, dunne géalach, stúdige, ceolraí gaelic glasachó, agus féad há ceolfar sa haun ach could you get am gínteach animal figan túil chanin son a hacur bhí súil na gaelic.
Ha mis meinig ik gyfel Coinneach soharitje ceolfar ach big dúris sin soharitje ma vi tig sin brí na nóran agus y fechan sin horst amach agus dírach soharitje ma a vi torsteine leis.
Wel ha Coinneach vi stúrig na GGs fat 10 bliana agus ha chun nátarach ik in ieder show ha mis meinig ik gun gen mis roots a bí. Ja, hanil go Jefferty Hannah say ha sin galenting.
Ha mis meinig nach al Jeffer gaat nach boondige sin farbish no rutsami. Ma hashing is meinig gewel Coinneach College leis maar de hein sin. Si sin ru accountig.
Fashion Coinneach an ma réidir ag farbish an post ag a bhd farbish post beel agus wat a gra go secret weapon ag na GGs. Is wat drie ma ein toon Coinneach. Dol, nós and now. And you'll see my secret weapon. She never had a gra for you.
Maar hoshi school gaelic glasachó doiseach ba óhas a chéin baial gan a chóisir ook was a school agus hu gat tol ga úne héin seachat son sin a dhéanamh agus a chlán a bhrosnacha.
He was brilliant. The first mod we went to in Dunoon, they won. I think it was a first debate, I can't remember. But the excitement was just off the charts. Jessica was in that required.
He was just so empowering and yeah, he just made you want to perform well, but by just being so dedicated and passionate in himself.
He couldn't control them. He would be the first to say. He was so likeable, he couldn't tell them off and they were just wild. They then worked out, we need a teacher there as well when there's a practice. But I mean, controlling Jessica, that's not an easy job. And it's bad enough with us as adults.
But I say que hulatunye, Hanye Kenny Thompson, I que chuch smá a gunye ach Katie.
She Kenneth was like
När ha mi brin sin, se Kenny, när ha brin ma yin, se Katie.
Kenny Thompson.
Coinneach sa gaelic ach Kenny sa bhearla.
Katie.
Kenneth.
Coinneach Rae.
Kenny.
Love of my life.
He actually prefers Kenneth.
Modfather.
Halas am hais in a tuiction. Chamór sa ha dúine deach a féidirach gin ma dhéin agus deach chosóireachta sa ha.
Ha mis meinig gyfel daifin gyma dóin agus brífúr etter húli dynne sa chóisir agus ha mi cíndeach an a dói gram ag críos an ha Coinneach agus ha spéis chamór ac i ga agus gúl ac i ga.
Ha dúine agus iad chó mochtalas, ha gáisir chu mochtalas, agus chanuraganne ach ciad tang son na raine haile sin na blianachin.
Hanil dúine déalaid sgasgré stúdige an GGs a haun, ha déalaid sgasgré Coinneach a haun.